Hello, and welcome back to English Audio, the place to improve your English just by listening. Today, we have a powerful idea. This is an idea about your mind. It is a secret to a happy life. This idea comes from a man named Dyer. He was a very wise teacher. He said something very simple, but it is very strong. Please listen closely. When you change how you look at things, the things you look at change. Let's think about this. What does this quote mean? It has two parts. Part 1. How you look at things. This is your inside world. It is your thoughts. It is your attitude. It is your way of seeing. Part 2. The things you look at. This is the outside world. This is your life. These are your problems. These are the facts. The quote says, the outside world changes. How is this possible? Let's use a very simple example. Imagine it is raining. Rain is a thing. It is a fact. You cannot stop the rain. Now, you have a choice. You can choose how you look at the rain. View 1, the sad view. You look at the rain. You think, oh no, it is raining. This is a terrible day. I cannot go to the park. My plans are ruined. I feel so sad and angry. With this view, what is the thing? The rain is a problem. It is a bad thing. Your world feels sad. But, wait, let's change our view. View to the happy view. You look at the same rain. The fact is the same, but you choose new thoughts. You think, wow, it is raining. This is wonderful. The trees need this water. The air feels so fresh. I can stay inside today. I will read a good book. I will drink some hot tea. This will be a peaceful, cozy day. Now, how do you feel? You feel calm. You feel happy. You feel grateful. What is the thing, the rain now? The thing is a gift. It is a good thing. Your world feels happy. Now, think what changed. Did the rain stop? No. The outside fact did not change. Yo chance. You changed the way you look at the rain. And so the thing you look at changed. The rain changed from a problem to a gift. This is the magic. This is your greatest power. Your life is not about what happens to you. It is about how you see what happens. Let's use a bigger example. Learning English. This is a thing in your life. It is a big, long journey. Sometimes you make a mistake. You try to speak and you say the wrong word. This is a thing. It is a fact. You made a mistake. Now, you have a choice. View 1, the fear view. You look at the mistake. You think, I am so stupid. People are laughing at me. My English is terrible. I should just be quiet. I will never speak English. With this view, what is the mistake? The mistake is proof of failure. It is a wall. It stops you. Your world becomes small and full of fear. You will stop trying. Now, let's change our view. View to the learning view. You look at the same mistake. The fact is the same, but you choose new thoughts. You think, oh, I made a mistake. That is interesting. This is a chance to learn. Why was that wrong? Let me ask the teacher. This is good. My brain is learning. Every mistake makes me better. I am brave for trying to speak. Now, how do you feel? You feel strong. You feel curious. You feel brave. What is the mistake now? The mistake is proof of trying. It is a teacher. It is a step forward. Your world is now a classroom, not a wall. Your world is full of opportunity. You will keep trying. The mistake, the thing did not change, but the way you look at it changed. And so, the mistake itself changed. It changed from failure to lesson. This is not easy. Our minds are fast. We often choose the sad or fear view first. This is a habit. We learned this habit. The good news is, you can learn a new habit. You are the boss of your mind. You can train your mind. How do you practice this? You must practice awareness. Awareness means you notice your thoughts. When a problem happens, your mind will say this is bad. Your job is to hear that thought. Step 1. Notice. My mind is telling me this is bad. That is just a thought. It is not the truth. Step 2. Pause. Do not react. Just take one breath. One slow breath. This gives you space. This gives you your power back. Step 3. Ask the important question. Is there another way to look at this? What is a better way to see this? What is the lesson here? How can this help me grow? This changes everything. You are no longer a victim. You are a leader. You are the leader of your own mind. Your mind is a garden. You are the gardener. The bad thought is a weed. You see the weed? You gently pull it out. Then you plant a new seed. You plant a good thought. This is a lesson. This will make me strong. I can handle this. When you do this, your world changes. Your feelings change. Your experience changes. The outside world is the same. The rain is still raining. The mistake is still a mistake. But your inside world is different. It is peaceful. It is strong. And your inside world is your real life. Your feelings are your life. So, you have changed your life. Let's say the quote one last time. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. This is your superpower. Use it every day. Use it when you learn English. Do not look at mistakes as bad. Look at them as lessons. Do not look at a hard lesson as impossible. Look at it as a challenge. Change your view, and you will change your world. Thank you for listening to English Audio today. We hope this message helps you on your journey. Like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you next time.